Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. Today we are going to uninstall Homebrew. So how can we uninstall Homebrew? So I have already written these steps. So we are going to follow these steps and we can uninstall Homebrew. Okay. So this is the command by which we can understand which version it is installed in our Mac operating system. And by this command we can uninstall Homebrew, and these are the command to remove all these files which is related to Homebrew. So these are command to uninstall every dependent file related to Homebrew. So let's execute one by one quickly. Firstly, we are going to check which version of Homebrew is installed in our local system. So copy this, and this is the command. So you can open command terminal. Okay, so I have already opened this terminal. So let's check. So this is the command. Okay, brew version. Okay, so I have already checked this version. So this is the version. Okay, Homebrew 4.5.13. Okay, so this is the version which is available in this Mac operating system. So we have checked this is the version number of install Homebrew in my operating system. Okay, so now I'm going to uninstall with the help of this command. So let's copy and paste here. It won't take much time. Are you sure want to uninstall Homebrew? This will remove your so press here Y, enter, removing Homebrew installation. So here it's uninstalling the Homebrew. Let's wait for some time. See, the following possible Homebrew file has been were not deleted. This one and this one. So we have to delete manually this opt Homebrew etc. So we are going to delete this. So let's perform first command, Control C and then Control V. Let's perform this one as well. Permission denied. Let's try for this. And then this. Yeah, so we have performed first, third and fourth. So for this we are not getting we are getting the performance denied. So how can we delete this? Then go to computer. Okay, here we have Mac here. So if you want to get all the hidden file, then shift command dot. So now we are able to see all the hidden files. So this is the Homebrew. This one we want to delete. So let's command click. Let's delete this. Homebrew to the bin. Okay, provide the password. Yeah, now we have deleted the Homebrew from opt folder. Okay, now let's check are we able to see Homebrew or not in our system. So let's check with the help of the version. Yeah, brew version. So command not found. So now we are not getting the Homebrew in our Mac operating system. Okay, so this is the way by which we can uninstall the Homebrew completely from our system. These are the steps one by one you can go and you can do. So I will share these steps in description. You can go and you can perform the operation. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye everyone.